Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Dollar Tree organization ideas. I got tons of organization items as you can see, so I'm excited to share all of these items with you and share with you some ideas on how to use them to organize in your home. It has been a really long time since I filmed a dollar store organization ideas video, so I thought it would be fun to go into the Dollar Tree, see what new items that they have for 2020. I haven't been in the Dollar Tree for months, so I was excited to go in there and see what new items that they had. One of the most viewed videos on my channel is actually a dollar store organization ideas video. I think that video is at 1.7 million views, which is crazy, and I know that a lot of my subscribers subscribed from that video, so I want you to let me know down in the comments of this video if you found my channel through that video, because I think that a lot of you did. I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and keep on watching if you want to see all of these items. Dollar Tree organization items are great if you're living in a temporary space or if you're on a budget, because everything is only $1. You can find a lot of great organization items at the Dollar Tree. First Dollar Tree item I'm gonna start off with is actually a bucket. So they have a couple of different colors of these. I grabbed the black one. These would be great to keep underneath your kitchen sink and put all of your cleaning supplies in here. Easy to carry around, put everything back in here. You can have your rags and stuff in here, and then you can also use this to put like some soap and water if you're washing down cabinets or something. This is actually a really good quality bucket. The plastic is really thick. It seems like it would hold up for a really long time. So I snagged one of these to put under my sink. Next, I grabbed two of their glass jars. They have several different types of glass jars that you can pick from. These are great to have on your kitchen counters or in your pantry. You could keep like some dry beans in here, some chocolate chips, some candy. These are just really cute jars for only $1. They would be neat all lined up in your pantry with some labels on them. I also grabbed this little glass container at the Dollar Tree. Now this is more for like storing food in the fridge or like packing lunches with, but I've never seen a little glass bowl like this with a lid there before, and this lid actually really does seal on tight, so it would keep your food fresh for a while. So these little glass bowls are definitely a must grab at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so while we're talking about food storage containers, they also have a ton of these Betty Crocker Easy Seal storage containers to put like leftovers, fruits, salads, if you're taking food to like a potluck or something. These are obviously a must-have for any kitchen, and they're only $1. These are really good quality. The lids seal up great, and I just grabbed two of them. They do have different sizes there. They have smaller ones, but I just grabbed the bigger ones because I actually haven't seen ones this big there before. Usually they just have the smaller ones. These little veggie storage containers are new. I have never seen these there before, but like I said, I haven't been in there for a couple of months. They had these in a couple different colors. I grabbed these in the teal color. These look like they would be great little containers. They would look cute in your fridge. I'm interested to see how well these will hold up. You can keep like berries, strawberries, raspberries, different things like that in here. And I always get at least one comment about this, people saying don't store your food in plastic containers from the Dollar Tree because of BPA, but it says right here on the front here that it's BPA free, and most of the plastic containers that are made for food will say BPA free on the front of them. So the Dollar Tree does have utensil trays to keep all of your utensils organized in your kitchen drawer. If you're on a budget and you can't afford to go out and spend 15 to 20 bucks on a utensil tray for your drawer, then just go and grab one from the Dollar Tree. And these seem like really good quality, a really thick plastic. They seem like they would hold up well. So if you're looking for a cheap cutlery tray for only $1, you can go grab one at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so next thing are these 3-pack of travel bottles for only $1. These are great for trips. Everybody should have some little travel bottles that you can put your shampoo, conditioner. You can put little labels on these to say what they are so you don't get them mixed up. Okay, so now we get to the good stuff. They have so many of these type of items, literally almost a whole aisle of just different colors of these type of items. I think I've shared every other type of container that they have here on my YouTube channel, but these two I have not shared before, and I actually haven't seen there before. So this first one is a great little bucket, and this does seem like good quality. They had a couple of different colors of these. There's so many uses for these. I could use these in the boys' room to store stuff in. You could have a couple of these in your pantry for like bags of chips, different things like that. And you could tie little labels to the handles of these. You could put these on the top shelf of a closet. Okay, so this one is a new one as well that I haven't seen before there. Usually they have the smaller square ones, but this one is more of a rectangle shape. These are awesome for storage in your pantry. You can put some labels on the front of these and just have a whole bunch of them lined up in there. These are really good quality and they will last a long time. I have some green ones that are like the square shape, not this rectangle shape, but they are the same kind. I've had those for years and they still look the same as they did the day that I bought them. They haven't cracked or anything. I definitely would grab a couple of these for your pantry or organizing in a closet or just wherever. These are just great to have on hand. And I've shared all these items on my channel before, but I just wanted to really quickly show you. These are ones that I already had here on hand. I didn't just buy these, but this white basket right here is my absolute favorite storage container from the Dollar Tree. These are great for a pantry, a bathroom, under your kitchen sink, in your laundry room, anywhere. These are amazing quality. These ones are also great and so awesome for organizing in your kitchen drawers. The little ones have held up awesome, but these bigger ones, a couple of them have started to crack, as you can see there. But I still do have a couple that haven't cracked, but just as a heads up, I do have a couple of these that have cracked. They have tons of these at the Dollar Tree too. These are great to just stick in a drawer to organize things in, and these ones usually come in a 2 or 3 pack for $1. If you guys have been here for a while, then you recognize these. I had these up on the shelf in my laundry room and I had some little chalkboard tags on them to just keep like cleaning cloths in and stuff. These are also great little baskets from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree does also have the collapsible storage containers, and these are surprisingly really good quality for being only $1. They have these smaller, flat, more rectangular ones, and then they have these larger square ones. I think the larger square ones are new. They usually had some smaller ones, but they just came out with these bigger ones. This little desk organizer is over with the office supplies at the Dollar Tree. These are great to stick in the drawer of your desk and keep all of your pens, pencils, paper clips, erasers, all of the things you can keep organized in your desk drawer. And if you're trying to organize your files, then go to the Dollar Tree because they have a ton of organizational items for organizing files. They have folders. I already have one of these little file folders, but I wanted to grab another one just because they're so great. They have a couple of different colors in these. These are great for organizing receipts and other smaller things like that. They have little tabs that you can put labels on. They have one for organizing coupons and then larger ones for files, so definitely go and check those out. Okay, so I've never saw these at the Dollar Tree before. These were in the craft aisle and they had, I think, pink and blue in these. I grabbed the pink one for the boys because I thought this would be great to keep all of their markers and pencils, different things like that in here. And this does seal. This little thing clicks up here so that they don't fall out. Okay, so mixed in with the stickers at the Dollar Tree, they do have packages of labels that you can pick from. This is a package of 15. These come in either blue or red. I wish that they had these in just a plain white. These are great to put on the containers when you're organizing. They did also have them in this gold color, and there's a couple of different shapes in here. There's actually 50 labels in this package, so that's a really good deal for $1. Okay, so these are the last 2 containers, and then we'll be done with this video. We'll start with this smaller one. These 2 containers I haven't seen there before, so that's why I grabbed them. This is a great little container. It seals up really well. You could use this in so many different spaces in your home. The first idea that popped in my head for these was to have a bunch of them stacked up inside of your big container that you keep all of your Christmas decorations in. You could put like ornaments in these, different things like that. I love clear plastic containers like this for storing items like that because then you can easily see what's in there. If you're looking for a certain ornament or you're looking for a certain thing, these would be great stacked up in a craft closet. Okay, so this last container I've never seen there before, and this one I have seen though at like Target and Walmart. They're a couple of bucks at Target and Walmart and they seem like the same quality, and this one's only $1 at the Dollar Tree, so definitely grab a couple of these. These types of containers are made so that you can stack them on top of each other. If you see, the lid is indented about the same width as the container so that you can easily stack them on top of each other. You can fit more into the space that you are storing them. So again, these would be great for seasonal decoration storage or pretty much for any type of storage in any closet in your home or cabinet. Only $1 at the Dollar Tree, so I would definitely recommend these ones as well. And I think that is going to be it for this video. If you want to see all the other organizational items that Dollar Tree has, then just head to your nearest Dollar Tree and just walk the aisles and see what all they have. It's just a great place to go if you're wanting to organize your home for 2020, but you don't want to spend a ton of money on organization products. Also share down in the comments which of these organization items was your favorite and how would you use these items to organize in your home. home. It's always fun to read through all of your ideas down below in the comments when you guys share how you would organize with these products. It helps me out, and it also helps everyone else out who's reading the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you stick around and you can watch all the other videos that I have over on my channel. And if you enjoy my channel, then please consider subscribing and clicking that red button down below. And I will see you in a couple days with a brand new video right here on my channel. Bye.